My name is Dr. Prabjot Singh. I'm from Delhi and I've been practicing homeopathy for the past 25 years. I've been coming to this Swara workshop for the past, I think, 3 or 4 years. I've been pretty regular with that. So this time what I experienced different was that the concept of subclass was introduced. Now this concept has already been there. It has been taught by different schools and there are books available on that. But the way it was done here was much different. It was very comprehensive. There were regular comparisons done with other kingdoms, other subclasses, so it made the learning a very comprehensible affair. Part 2. There are regular revisions throughout the workshops. It's not that you learn something on the first day, it's gone by the third day. So they make sure the revisions are happening pretty regularly. Over and above that, there are other recreational activities like quiz, like some other artwork competitions and all, where the concepts are constantly reviewed. So that makes learning also a fun experience without deviating from the curriculum of the workshop. Lastly, it's a very vast subject, but thanks to Shekhar sir and his team, they have put that in such a lucid manner that even for a beginner, it would appear that it is doable. So that's been an amazing experience coming here for me. Thank you.